Okay, so ignore the messy inbox, but just to kind of start, it's super, super easy to just go ahead and like hop into your Gmail account, and then you'll go up here like you're accessing your calendar, your Gmail apps, and then what you'll do is just find where it says Google Forms. If you can't find that, you can honestly just go to Google Drive. So then what you'll do is it's actually just part of one of the apps that you can, or one of the apps, one of the cool little things that you can do. Like there's the spreadsheet, the document, the form, and then drawing, obviously. You can go ahead and just create the form. And this will take you to the back end where you're basically going to look at creating the different form types. So I know it looks really ugly here. It doesn't look like this when you create it. But I'm just going to give you like a basic run through of kind of what's here. Um, you'll be able to view this right away super easily, and anybody can see it. Nobody's banned from using it. So basically, your form is basic. Like I'll just name this Jessica example. And then, you can create a form description here. If you don't type anything, it just won't show up. It won't say form description on the actual page. So for the different question types, you just go ahead and like, obviously you type the question here. The help text is going to be something that's like put in italics and kind of almost like quoted in a way that's like, what's your favorite color? And then in the italics, you would put something like, please tell me what your favorite color is and why that's your favorite color. It's like getting more specific on the question if the question's a little bit confusing. And then the question type is, obvious, text, paragraph, text, multiple choice, check boxes, choose from a list, scale, grid, date, time, so on and so forth. Um, you can, excuse me, you can also go down here and put required question if there's certain questions you want them to answer before the thing is completed. Um, I guess the questionnaire, yeah, the questionnaire is completed. And then the last part where it says confirmation page, this part is actually super easy. Um, in terms of it's just basically like once they can complete the form, like what they're going to see. You can basically just say like, thank you for completing the questionnaire. Or you can publish and show a link to a public form. You could put a link right here. Show link to submit another response. That's stupid. Don't let them do that. Um, but yeah, that's just the confirmation page. Everything they're going to see after they submit it. Um, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it. This is, show the progress bar. It's literally just, I'll show you that part. Okay, great. They've answered that many questions. They're done. Um, and then only allow one response per person. That's where they would have to sign into their Gmail account, so I wouldn't hit that. Shuffle question orders, like hitting shuffle on your playlist, like it'll just basically like randomly put different questions. Um, and then the last part is like the branding portion to make sure it's like on brand with whatever the entrepreneur is you'll actually just go ahead and hit change theme. I've like created my own theme for applications. I'm trying to see if I can find it, but you can just do like a basic customized one. And then here's like where you can go in and add a header. You can add the title to have, the different font, whatever they are. You can actually even download a font. They have all of like the thousands of Google fonts as well. Um, these are just the basic ones, and then you can choose that here. Description, question, like so on and so forth. So you can change the background, the colors. And options, you just change, like that's the color of the text on the options. I talked really fast. I realized that. This is what your form is going to look like when you see it. I think I probably already showed you that. Now I forgot, so whatever. But yeah, so that's your question or your example. You don't have to pay any money for that, and it's super, super easy. I adore your face.